Mastering value investing, real-world applications, and case studies. Imagine having the power to turn every dollar you invest into a growing fortune. What if I told you that understanding the principles of value investing can unlock this potential for you? Stay with us, and we'll reveal real-world examples of successful value investments that can inspire your own financial journey. Welcome to Nouveau Riche Investor. Today, we'll dive deep into the practical applications of Benjamin Graham's The Intelligent Investor. We'll explore how these timeless principles have been applied successfully in the real world, and how you can use them to make informed and profitable investment decisions. Benjamin Graham, often called the father of value investing, laid the foundation for many of today's successful investors. His book, The Intelligent Investor, is a guide to identifying undervalued stocks and making smart investment decisions. Imagine finding a treasure chest buried beneath the sands, hidden from the eyes of the impatient and the unwise. This is the essence of value investing, discovering hidden gems that others overlook. Graham introduced the concept of intrinsic value, the true worth of a company based on its fundamentals. To identify these undervalued stocks, Graham suggested looking at several key criteria: low price to earnings, P/E ratios, strong balance sheets, steady earnings, and a history of paying dividends. Let's look at some real-world examples of successful value investments. One of the most famous is Warren Buffett's investment in Coca-Cola. In the late 1980s, Coca-Cola was trading at a price that didn't fully reflect its strong brand and growth potential. Buffett recognized this and invested heavily, reaping significant returns as the company's value grew. Another example is the investment in American Express during the 1960s. After a scandal, the company's stock plummeted. Buffett saw an opportunity, believing in the long-term strength of the brand and its financial health. His investment paid off handsomely as American Express regained its market position. These case studies highlight the importance of patience and thorough analysis. Value investing is not about chasing quick profits, but about understanding the true value of a business and waiting for the market to recognize it. The key to successful value investing is patience and discipline. It's about conducting thorough research, making informed decisions, and holding on to your investments until their true value is realized. In conclusion, the principles of value investing, as taught by Benjamin Graham, can guide you to make wise and profitable investment decisions. By studying real-world examples, you can see how these timeless strategies have been applied successfully and how you can use them to build your own financial future. For a deeper dive into these principles, I highly recommend reading The Intelligent Investor. Stay tuned for more videos where we'll explore each of these concepts in detail. Until then, happy investing.